Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about 5 online side hustles for digital nomads. So no traveling around the world and being able to work remote has been a very big trend lately because who doesn't want to work from the beach? However, I know not every job is remote friendly, so in today's video we're going to talk about the top online side hustles that are perfect for digital nomads. We are specifically going to be focused on asynchronous work, meaning these side hustles are not very meeting or call heavy, so you don't have to always be in a specific time zone in order to be able to do these side hustles. So let's start with number 1, which is freelance writing. So if you love putting information into words and love writing things like blogs or articles or even short stories, this could be a great side hustle that you can do on your own time. And especially now that ChatGPT is a very big thing and a very helpful tool, you can spend very little time writing content and getting paid really good money. Some of the best platforms for finding remote writing jobs are places like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger. I actually know quite a few people who make pretty decent money writing articles, so submitting articles on different topics. And even if you don't have perfect grammar or punctuation, you can still use tools like Grammarly and ChatGPT to help you create perfect articles. So as you guys know, on this channel, we're all about side hustles and creating different streams of income. So if that's something that you're passionate about, please make sure to hit that like button because it really helps me. And in general, if you are interested in this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I release new videos almost every Wednesday. So next on our list is stock photography. So back when I was a teenager, I dabbled a little bit into modeling, and I actually used to be a stock photography model. I've met quite a few photographers that earn full-time living just creating stock photography and selling them on platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. The nice thing is that sometimes all you need to do is to create one image that can be sold to multiple businesses or creatives, so there's not really a limit on how much money you can make. Especially if you are a travel photographer and you just love creating content and can monetize it at the same time, why not try this side hustle? So the next side hustle is social media management. So this side hustle is not as passive, however, it technically could be because a lot of social media managers these days tend to batch content, so create a lot of content on the same day and then schedule a lot of that content in advance. A lot of social media managers also have to do things like respond to comments or messages. So however, it is still a really fun side hustle that you can do on your own schedule. Trust me, there are so many businesses that look for social media managers, and it's pretty easy to find those gigs on places like LinkedIn, Upwork, or freelancer.com. All right, we're almost done with that list. So the next side hustle that I want to tell you about is podcasting. I know everyone and their mom these days have a podcast, but I think there's a reason why. Podcasting can be a really fun creative outlet for you to share your knowledge, interview really interesting people, or discuss some of the topics that you're specifically passionate about. Similarly to a lot of content creation jobs, you can batch create podcast episodes and then schedule them out and hopefully get to the point where you can start making money through sponsorships and ad revenue. Unlike YouTube, podcasting doesn't require as much investment in terms of equipment. Like for example, you don't really need a camera or like lights, which tend to get really expensive. All you need is a microphone and a laptop to edit your content. So yeah, if you needed a creative outlet and you don't like being on camera, podcasting can be a really great side hustle. And then the last but not least is web development or any technical types of side hustles like UX design or graphic design. So many of you know that I am a headhunter in the creative industry, so I recruit a lot of creative people. And something that is really interesting is that a lot of these jobs can be fully remote. You can collaborate with people all over the world, and those people tend to make a lot of money. Now, I know a lot of you may think like, but I don't really have a degree in this field and I don't know if I really want to go back to school. So you don't really need to take on more debt and go back to grad school and pursue a degree. There are a lot of online boot camps that are available out there in the market that will teach you all the necessary skills for you to get started in this industry. Platforms like TopTal, Upwork, Fiverr, and GitHub can connect freelancers with clients that look for these types of services, and you can find anything from one-time short-term projects all the way to long-term ongoing projects that can hopefully fund your travels and allow you to live like a digital nomad. And that is it for me today, guys. Let me know in the comments down below which side hustle was your favorite and if you've tried any of them before. And as always, if you love content about side hustles, investing in personal finance, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I upload new videos every Wednesday. Also, don't forget to hit that like button because it really helps me grow here on this platform, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!